Ew. Yeah. What's poppin', Favesters? And welcome to Fabien TV. Let's get turned shirt. And today I got something special for y'all, you feel me? I got something special for y'all. I got a box, you feel me? I got a big box. And we doing a box opening, you feel me? So I got my drinky, you feel me? So I'm about to feel nice, real nice in this video, you heard me? This box is big and heavy. Oh, that's on my foot. It's on my toes now. Hold on. Thumbnail. Whew. I need some power up, some level up. Alright, there you have it. This box is big. Thumbnail. Alright, I think that's enough with the thumbnails. Whew. One more. Alright. Now it's time to open this thing up, you feel me? So I don't have a knife, so I'm using this hook that I got from my table. It's for my table, but I don't use it for my table, you feel me? I use it for my keys. Why is there wood in here? Is this the what's Is this what I got? Nah, that's not it. I play too much, you feel me? I play too much. Look, if you know me, I'm a kid at heart, you feel me? And I'm gonna always be a kid at heart, you heard me? Tetris. Ooh. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Oh, oh. You could see a little bit of it. You could see a little bit of it. But you don't know what it is. Yeah. I'm trying to pee prolong. I'm not really trying to show y'all right now what it is. I'm trying to have y'all guess what it is first, baby. Know what I mean? Play with your mind a little bit. So I'm gonna just close the box. I'm gonna put it on the floor. Then I'm gonna count down from 3 to 1, and I'm gonna reveal what's in this box. You feel me? This box is heavy. Heavy, I say. Eep. Oh. That's on my foot again. Ugh. Oh, I need a drink. Oh. Alright, if you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on that bell notification, you dig? And get lit with your kid. With the kid, you heard me? I don't think I'm ready for what's in this box. You feel me? I think I'm wearing the wrong type of hair gear.
Yeah, you think?
I'm definitely am wearing the wrong headgear. You feel me? Dio, 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 Dio. Woo! Woo, baby. Alright. Now I'm wearing the proper head gear. You feel me? Real. If you rocking with me and you're OJ subscriber, you feel me? And you know my saying when it comes to the bonnets, you're a real one. You feel me? So for the new subscribers who don't know, real men wear bonnets. You feel me? So everyone, say it with me. Real men wear bonnets. Now, let's get to the countdown here. Let's get to the countdown. Instead of doing from 3, I'm going to do from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 'It's going down. It's going down. 4. I like it, Kutchi. 3. 360. Hold on. Let me redo the 360. 2. Anything is possible. 1. Drum roll, please. Da da da! It's a heat press. My new toy. My beautiful new toy. You feel me? Yes, sir. It's a heat press, you feel me? This baby right here, this little toy right here is gonna, this toy right here is gonna help me with my merch game, you feel me? Cause this right here is my new toy. And next month I am starting my clothing brand, you feel me? So it's a movie. So I gotta get a scissor and cut this string right here. Oof. So this one is 15 by, this one is 15 by 15, and it's a swing away. You feel me? I think I got the one. I think the one I got is the swing away, but I don't remember. But this is my new toy. I'm gonna do some practice on this before I put before I use it for my brand. You feel me? Well, I thought I did. I thought I got the heat press that strings away. Then I realized I looked at the size. That one was 15 by 12, and this one is 15 by 15. Oh, okay, this is valid. So it peep game. So when I'm cooking, I could be either standing right here. I could be standing right here, you feel me? Or right here. Or right here. Know what I mean? And if I got something like a hoodie, t-shirt, not really crop top. Matter of fact, yeah, crop top or a crew neck. I can slide this joint out, you feel me? Slide this joint out, put the clothes, the garment here, slide it in, then boom, close it. Let the heat do its thing. Then boom, lift it up. To slide the garment out. Boom. And fold the garment. Put in a little baggie. And send it off shipping, you hear me? But yeah, this is my new toy, my new baby. You feel me? Yeah, Slat. Yeah, Slime. Yeah, your boy Fabien TV is about to be a business owner. You feel me? Multiple incomes, you heard? Don't play with me. Stop sleeping on me. You feel me? Stop sleeping on me. Because I'm manifesting everything I want this year. I'm manifesting everything. So, when you see me rock my own thing, you feel me? When you see me rock my gear, you feel me? Talk to me nice, you heard? Talk to me nice. That's all I want. I want y'all to be not salty, not envy, but proud of your boy. You feel me? And also, you could be in the same position I am, starting your own business, doing your thing on YouTube, know what I mean, or modeling, or whatever you want to be. You feel me? Whatever you want to be, just put your mind into it. Have the right people around you, and also believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, and have faith in yourself, and believe in God, and also believe in, and also have faith in God. Because without God, can't do anything. You feel me? That's your right hand man. That's your right hand man. I'm out of here.
Look, only chase a bag, anything else gotta come to me. Let it come to me. Let it, shit, only chase a bag, anything else gotta come to me. Let it